nobody will help me. I believe most of us have this thought process that nobody will come ahead or will come forward to help me, or in your terms, will come ahead and help you. I believe we should keep a very big and a very dark full stop to this thought process and upgrade to a thought process where we believe that someone will come ahead and help me out, or someone will come ahead and help you out. And later on, many people will join that someone or that first person in your life. I want you to be that someone in your life. I want you to be that first person in your life who helps yourself out. And trust me, when you do that, many people will join the process. And second thought, which I believe I had in my life, frankly speaking, I did have this thought, or most of you might be having it by now, or you had in your past, or you will have in the future, which is, if someone comes ahead and helps me out or will help you out, then only you will go ahead and help that person. Or if that guy helps me out, if that girl helps me out, then I will help that guy or that girl back only. Again, we should keep a very big and the darkest full stop to this thought process as well. Because if you really want to see the world not just a better place, but a very better place to live in, where people don't step back from helping each other, and people don't step back from helping you, or you don't step back from helping others. If you really want to see this kind of a better place for the world, then I would say be the change you want to see in the world. So don't step back from helping, being the first person to help someone, instead of just waiting and expecting others to help you, even if you don't need any sort of help. Because I believe when the thought of helping someone comes forward, there is no better exercise for the heart when you reach out for the people who really need your help. And if I help someone, or if you help someone, it might not change the world. It's clear that it might not change the world. There is a little chance it can change the world if we help one person, but that's a very least chance, I would say. So it might not change the world, but if I help a person, or if you help a person, it will definitely change the world for that person. And this is what we should really focus on. Now, how do we work on the concept of making sure that people don't step back from helping each other, that the message of helping someone keeps going ahead? This is a very old and a very common strategy which most of you are aware of it. Even I was aware of it. I believe most of us have forgotten this strategy or are not aware of it. It's time that we bring this strategy or this trick back to life. First, we used to believe in the thought that each one help one. Now, I would say each one help one at least, and forward the process, forward the thought process. It's common, you are aware of it, but I believe it's high time that we don't just neglect this thought process of helping someone and making sure that the process continues. Now is the time that we really step up and do it, because the world really needs it. So when you help a person, as simple as that, when you help a person, the person will come ahead and thank you. So don't forget to reply you're welcome, you're most welcome, or anything you say in your daily life, but don't forget to say the person to keep helping others as well. because I believe there are two very important and most beautiful feeling in the world. One, when your parents are proud and happy for what you are doing in life and see that happiness on their face, it gives that happiness in your heart. And two, when you help a person, the feeling of happiness, the feeling of content, the feeling of satisfaction a person gets is beyond words. So we all share memes, we all share funny content, emotional content, drama, and many other stuff which I can't say it over here. But please, if you can share that, we can. I'm not saying you to share this post, I'm just asking you to forward the process. That's it, to forward the process of helping others. In this way, every single person will be a first person for someone, or will be a ninth or a 10th person or an nth person for someone. And please, last but not the least, don't step back from helping someone with a thought that that person might not be able to help you back. He might not be able to help you back, but help many more ahead. And I would like to say this in Hindi. I hope you might understand this. फरिश्ते ढूंढने निकलोगे तो शायद एक भी ना मिलेगा, किसी को दिल से मदद करोगे तो शायद उस इंसान को तुम मिल जाओगे.